Meaning of diva.
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 Diva. Diva is a term often used to describe a highly talented and successful female artist in the entertainment industry. The word originated from the Latin word divus, which means divine one. Divas are known for their exceptional singing abilities, striking fashion sense, and commanding stage presence. They often have a reputation for being demanding or difficult to work with due to their high standards and perfectionism. Despite this, divas continue to be highly respected and celebrated for their artistry and impact on popular culture.